Welcome back, guys! We today cook something special, something unique. What maybe, if you of course live in England, never try, never eat. This name of the soup, cabbage soup. She. It's not like she or she. Yeah, sound is the same, but meaning is different. And you will like it. Soup is amazing, I promise you. You should do and try it. And for this soup we need cabbage, onion, carrot, potatoes and meat. On the end we put some Greek yogurt, but this guy up to you if you like, and we make this soup nicer by parsley. And of course, guys, we have secret ingredient. This one. These stock cubes make your soup more nicer and give more flavor. First, guys, we should put boiled meat to make sure it's ready. And now, big life hack of the meat. To cook it, we should place it to the cold water. This is very important. And this make your soup more nicer. Now we put on the plate and start cooking. If you want to meat boiled much faster, you can cut to 2 or 3 pieces. When they are smallest, they cooking much faster. After, when meat will be ready, we will take out and cut to the small cubes. And very important, one life hack. Before start boiling, you should keep eye on this meat. Because before start boiling, meat start, make a foam. And our target, to keep clear stock, we should remove with spoon foam away. Okay, guys, we're waiting for meat, and now we jump back to cut all ingredients and prepare. Then when meat will be ready, we can just put it and use it. Now we start cut potato cubes. Take potato, cut half, little bit half. More, like that. Done. Now I teach you some amazing technique how to cut cabbage to make sure they looks nice, beautiful and straight. First, we have small cabbage. We wash it already. We cut half. After, cut again half, and now we hold like that and start cutting. Stripes. If you see stripes became too long, you start cutting from other side. Now we can turn that way and cutting like that. Now it's this way. We control all the stripes. Some will be short, but this is okay. And this is, here is middle of cabbage, how it's called, root of the cabbage. We not will use it. We take another 1 pieces and start cutting. That's it. I think this cabbage will be enough. As well, guys, very important stuff. This cutting technique you can use for cutting cabbage for salad. In the future, I will teach you not only main dish soups, but as well you will get training about some amazing and delicious salad. Don't worry, it's not will be cauliflower, I promise you.
Hello my viewers, I know how much you missed me and thank you for the support. I have to take over because I'm the real professional here. Okay, come on, I'll show you how to do this. So as you see, the tomato, right? Spin it for good luck. We're gonna first cut it in half. And then we're gonna cut it like that. Because we want stripes. If you do something one way, you do something every way. Glyn, do something. How am I supposed to spin like that? Comprende? And that's how you do it. Well, what else is there? Tomato is a fruit or vegetable, depends from where you're from. Which is quite interesting because it's the only thing that has fruit or vegetable. That's a fact that you learn. You learn something every day. And that's thing is today. If you guys have any questions about the dish or anything you're interested about, please comment. And if you enjoy the content, please just stay till the end to fully support us. Okay, that's all the tomatoes done. Okay, gotta make sure you do it with a proper technique for all the tomatoes. There is a special way to make a tomato look like a flower, but we're going to show that one day. Now, we're going to show you une carotte. That's for carrot in French. Okay, come on. Now first, see the carrot. Carrot is too...
And now guys, very important stuff happened. It starts nearly boiling. That means now we should take big spoon and start taking foam.
Okay.
And now guys, we come back.
Okay, back to the carrot. Okay, let's show you how to cut it. Starters. This is one hot carrot.
Gym training.
This is why you go to the gym, people. And then you want to cut it again. Oh, like that. See? Okay, as you can see, it's into two pieces. Uno and dos. Now, we're gonna now cut it, come on. Cooking is like art. You should love it and enjoy it. Well, I love talking for hours because I love my viewers and we would be nothing without you guys. So thank you for the support. Huh? My father showed the affection towards our viewers.
This will be cut off. Don't worry.
By our editor. Okay, that's half of our carrot is completed. Now we're gonna show you how to cut an onion. So, as you can see the onion, the shape of it, as you can see. It's not a perfect circle, but it's good enough. and we're gonna cut it a special way. So as you can see, well, onions are really poor creatures because it makes you cry, which is not a good thing for you. For the onion, I think it just laughs at you. So all you have to do is cut it in half and just cut it like that into like a half circle. If you learnt it from school, it's like 2 pi squared divided by 2. That's how you find the area of a half circle. Or if you want to find the circumference of a half circle, you have to do 2 pi r divided by 2 to find the half. So it's not really that hard. All you have to do is divide the half to find the half. And that's something else that you learned, or already knew, or forgot, which is quite an annoying topic when you go to school. So much for you to do. And that's it. As you can see, perfect slices. And I haven't even teared up. The onion can't faze me. And I'm just built different. So.
Now he will cry. Okay guys, now it's time to fry carrot and onion. We have pan, we put some oil, we put carrot and onion and start frying. As you see, our meat is boiling and cooking. Make sure water is covering your meat and you see stock is clean. Now guys, carrot and onion is fried well. Look how it looks like, lovely. Onion get golden color and like that should be. Now we put on the side and wait till meat will be ready. Meat we put on slow fire. Meat is ready. Now we take out and cut this meat to the cubes. Meat is super hot, but I tell you a big secret. Cook is not afraid heat. Only students cook afraid heat. We cut like that, cubes. Looks very nice and beautiful. Back to the plate. And we put the meat back. We put carrot, with onion together, and don't forget oil, because this oil give color. Put some potatoes and left cabbage. And of course guys, now it's time for our secret ingredient, cubes. But we not place it like that, we should break better to 4 pieces. We put 2 to make it more nicer and more yummy. Maybe 1. Start boiling. We need about half an hour. In half an hour cabbage and potato will be as well guys. As you saw, I like more in soup more ingredient. Now we're waiting. If for example you put too much potato or cabbage, you can put little bit water, but it's up to you. And now we're waiting till start boiling. When soup will be ready, we put before the end tomato, and after leave maybe for 10 minutes, and soup will be ready.
Anyway, I'm going to be reviewing this dish and I will tell you how it is. With my honest opinion, of course. Okay, come on. You gotta grab a little bit of everything. Make sure you blow on it or else it will be very cold. Hot, hot. Okay, I tried all elements of this dish, but feel like if I was only maybe more meat, it would be great. Because I got hit by protein. But anyway, I love how all the flavors just combine together and how we can really try some new traditional dishes from around the world. And I hope you will join us. I have to go in for another scoop because of how delicious it is. Wow. The rush of flavor just really hits the spot. You know what else is good that better than good food? Healthy food. Because combining these two, you can have a happy life with a happy wife. And that's really it. I hope you enjoy my review, but don't trust my review. You better try it out yourselves. So thank you